Here we have 4 different places where you can sell your prints. Personally, they are the ones I using for sell mine. We have Etsy, which is the store where you can sell your products and sell it around the world. Etsy has a commission for upload your products and also have some other commissions for transactions. For more information, you can visit the website and check the policy. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products. You can upload your artwork here and you will have the chance to have your design in many different kind of products and get commission for each sale. You can upload your work for free and they are in charge of printing and shipping around the world. And then we have Displate. Displate is one of the kind metal poster shop that you can sell your product and earn commission. You can upload your work for free and then you will get commission every month. We have Printful. Printful is on-demand print and warehouse company. To use Printful, you will need to connect your store to an e-commerce platform. Printful integrates with a bunch of platforms such as Etsy, Wix, Amazon, and more. Printful will be in charge to print and shipping your products around the world. So you just need to upload your work and they are in charge of everything.